Sir, do you have any report regarding the progress of the pre-trial and marking?
Yeah, thank you for asking that question. I think we're doing well, at least on the defense side, and I think even on the prosecution side, probably best to ask them. No? But we are very optimistic that we will be able to finish by end of day today yung ating pre-marking. Maganda yung naging progress kahapon and even this morning. So at least dun sa marking station ko, the one that I'm handling, I think we will be able to finish by 3-4 p.m. I also consulted my co-counsels sa defense team and sila din, they're very optimistic na matatapos din nila yung marking, kanya-kanyang marking nila. So yeah, hopefully matapos talaga. Of course, hindi natin alam kung magkaroon ng complications sa mga documents this afternoon, pero we're very optimistic na matatapos by end of day today. Kung ma-extend man, baka tomorrow, yun na yung latest.
Sir, nakalista si Mary Grace Piatos at si dating Ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman Carandang as witnesses ng prosecution. Anong implication nun sa inyo and anong gagawin?
Wala naman po. Sa amin naman po, yan naman prerogatiba ng prosecution kung sino yung mga witnesses sila. So definitely if they're presented, we will be ready to cross-examine them.
Pero nasagot nyo doon sa BIR box?
We will be filing po yung aming official and formal response doon sa manifestation ng ating mga kasamahan, mga kaibigan sa prosecution. We are planning to file that by tomorrow.
Pero sir, matatapos, kung plan nyo matapos today yung pre-trial, ano pa po ang point kung by tomorrow magpa-file ng response?
Well, ayun naman po, ay hindi naman, ang decision din po niyan ay sa impeachment court. So, if, hindi naman, wala naman pong magiging implication. We will file our comment.
Until 7 p.m. pa rin kayo doon, sir?
Today, I think yes, but we're hoping na, na hindi na kailangan umabot sa ganun.
What are the articles left for marking, sir?
Both articles are still there, Articles 1 and 2. But as you know, nagkaroon ng 2 marking stations na, dalawang groups na yun sa Article 2, and yung sa confidential funds naman, isang araw pa, naghiwalay-hiwalay na talaga yung mga groups, marami nang ginawang mga marking stations. So that's why we're optimistic. I wouldn't say confident, but at least optimistic na matatapos kami.
Sir, tatayo ka rin ba as witness during the trial?
Ako po?
Listed ka ba, sir?
Yes, I think the prosecution listed me and I don't have any problems with that.
Pwede yun, sir. Lawyer kayo ng defense.
Pwede naman, because lalo na kung ang tatanungin naman nila ay matters that are not pertaining to my role as counsel to Vice President. Wala naman siguro ng problema. And if they really wish to call me as a witness, katulad ng ginawa nila sa Committee on Justice, hindi ba? Wala naman tayong problema.
And then to clarify, sir, the witnesses din, halimbawa po si Odo Carandang, they can also call that as their witness na po.
Sino po?
Yung defense po, or cross-examine na yun.
We can cross-examine them. We can opt to call them also, but it's a pre-trial brief namin. Wala naman kaming sinama na ganung witnesses. But definitely, when they're called as witnesses for the prosecution, the defense will have the right to cross-examine their witnesses.
So, pero sir, si Mary Grace Piatos, wala po sa defense?
Wala po sa defense. Ang narinig ko, I think kanina umaga lang, banggit daw that part siya ng the witnesses ng prosecution. Well, that's the prerogative of the prosecution. And sa amin nga, parati namin sinasabi, once they're presented, they will be subjected to cross-examination on our part.
Anong circumstance haharap si VP sa trial, sir?
Kung kinakailangan, hindi ko pa masabi sa iyo yung exact circumstance. It will be part of the legal strategy, which obviously we will not disclose. But in case kailangan, that will be upon the advice of counsel, which is the defense.
But she's willing, sir, pag kinakailangan.
Well, I don't want a soundbite kasi na she's willing because I'm sure that's what everyone's asking for. No? But pag kinakailangan, bakit naman hindi siya haharap, diba? Kasi parati natin sinasabi na hindi humaharap si Vice President. But what we're doing now is pagharap sa mga alegasyon, diba? What they're pushing for is a physical appearance. But physical appearance, for example, the pre-trial stage, hindi naman yan siya kailangan talaga nandito. Ano naman ang gagawin niya dito, diba? Kung nandito man siya. So, ang sa atin, kung dumating yung circumstance, kinakailangan niyang humarap, we will be the ones to advise our clients na kailangan niyang humarap. At doon natin malalaman kung siya.
Sir, 5 days